Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you head over to my YouTube channel and you click on the video section, you're going to find that most of the videos here are about boom and crash, and most of these strategies are based on indicator-based strategies. But from today, I'm going to switch away from synthetic indices from derivative, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about NASDAQ or NAS100, and from there I'm also going to share some of the working strategies, both technical and fundamental ones. So it might be a good idea that if you could subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't get to miss the videos. So in today's video, I'm simply going to do the introduction about what NAS100 is or what NASDAQ is. Then from there on, that is when I'm going to continue creating videos explaining more how to trade NASDAQ and everything else you need to know. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to know is what is NASDAQ. So I know a lot of people don't really talk about what NASDAQ is, but I'm just going to briefly explain a little bit what NASDAQ is, because all what we're interested in is making money trading NASDAQ, and the rest of the information is not really needed. So to summarize what NASDAQ is simply, so NASDAQ is actually an exchange, and over here this is the NASDAQ exchange website, and what people usually refer to when they say NAS100 is actually the NAS100 index. Okay, so there's the NASDAQ composite and the NAS100. So never confuse these two. So what usually people trade is the NASDAQ 100. So what is the NASDAQ 100? Remember that the NASDAQ is an exchange, it's a stock exchange. Then the NASDAQ 100, it is the index that people trade. So now that I've defined what NASDAQ is, what about NASDAQ 100? What is NASDAQ 100? Well, NASDAQ 100 is actually an index made up from the 100 largest non-financial companies. So these 100 largest companies include Apple, Microsoft, Netflix, and so on. So here is a list of the 100 companies listed on the NASDAQ. So the first one is American Airlines. So the list here is listed in alphabetical order. Then it's Apple, Affirm, Agile, Akanda, Akebia, Alena, Apollo, Amazon, and so on until the end. Okay, and as you might have noticed, like the majority of these companies here, like the stocks, like the price, they are really going down. Okay, and there's a percentage change of between 0.01 to about 51% change. That's really, don't know, a bit bad. Yeah, although by the way, I don't trade stocks, but yeah, this information might be of good use to you. Okay, so now that I've defined what NASDAQ is and what the NASDAQ 100 is, how can you trade NASDAQ? But before I continue, like on some brokers, like you're going to find that it is written as NAS100. On some brokers, it will be written as NASDAQ, just like that. On some brokers, it will be written as US take, not really like this, like US take 100. Okay, I don't know about the other brokers, but it is similar to this way. So whenever you see this, just know that it's one and the same thing. Okay, yeah. So the broker of which I trade NASDAQ with, it shows like this, US take 100. Okay, so if you're looking for a broker that can allow you to trade NASDAQ, my best and recommended broker I've been using for the past 4 years is actually Deriv. So the link to Deriv will be in the description. Create an account through the link, and okay, you'll be able to see it. So what you have to do after creating a Deriv account is simply create a financial trading account, and NASDAQ will be there. So when I click on markets and you come on stocks and indices, then all you have to do is simply scroll down, and you're going to see that there is American indices. Then on the American indices, we've got the US 500, US Tech 100. This is NASDAQ for the top 100, and there is the Wall Street 30. So when I click on this drop down, you're going to see that US Tech 100 follows the stock performances of the 100 largest non-financial companies in the US. Okay, and as I showed you over here, Okay, you can clearly see that most of these, like the prices, okay, they are really going down and only a few are going up. So if I open up my trading view right now, and this is US Tech, okay, you're going to see that this is, by the way, this is a 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, like from this point over here, like it has been like really going down, going down. Then probably from here, this is where we're trying to see a change in price, but I still think like it is still going down, even if it showed the reversal. Okay, so one important thing you should know about NASDAQ is that if you go on a higher time frame, let us say you go on a weekly time frame, okay, you're going to notice that, okay, the price of NASDAQ, like it has been really going up and up. So this is 2013, November 12, 22. Here is July 13, 2013. As you might have noticed, price has been really going up, up and up and up and up and up and up. Not until this time, which is December 2021, when it reached the all-time high, and this was when it started going down. So I don't know how far it will reach going down, but sooner or later the price will finally reverse. So what people have been doing all this long is simply buy whenever like price reaches this. Okay, I'm going to talk about the strategy of buying and selling on NASDAQ, like how to trade it. For now, I will simply introducing you to what NASDAQ trading is, what NAS100 is, everything else you need to know. And don't worry about my head having no hair. I just cut my hair recently, but it will grow back soon. Yeah. So this is it about NAS100, about NASDAQ. Okay, if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. And remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for working strategies and everything else you need to know about NASDAQ. Bye for now.